me, Alicia, and you're watching Something About Alicia. I have not been on here in a minute. I've had so much going on. I recently moved. I got engaged. I've been doing so much and I haven't really had time to make my videos, but I wanted to come on here real quick and make a quick video and show you guys my hair right now. It's been It's been 8 months. I've been locked for 8 months now, and here is my hair. So I'm in love with my hair. I love it so much. Every day gets easier. I retwist my hair probably about either like a month and a half, maybe 2 months apart, and I don't do nothing too crazy. I like to have my hair to the side. I pin it back on both sides and have like a cute little style. I don't do anything too crazy, maybe a headband one day, but for the most part, I'm just enjoying my hair. I wake up every day and I just shake it and I'll go, and I love it. My routine isn't too different from what it was. I'm still retwisting with this here, with the ORS Smooth and Hold Pudding. I'm still retwisting with that. I would like to try something new, but I just don't know. I don't really know which ones to try. So if you have any recommendations on something that holds, because I don't really have an issue with it holding my retwist, but I would like something that will hold my edges a lot better without having to use a wax, because who wants to use wax? It's not me. So, but one thing that I am using that is new, that I recently got in a beauty box subscription that I use. I get the Petit Vour makeup subscription, and what that is pretty much, it's organic makeup, natural, toxic free, vegan. It's just non-toxic, not harmful, nothing bad for you. It's don't test on animals. It's if you care about what you're putting on your body, what's absorbing in your body, then you want to try the Petit Vour box, because I know I spend a pretty good amount each month. Shouldn't have said that, but I like to buy quality products. So I like to buy quality makeup products, I like to buy quality hair products, and one sample that I got from my subscription box was Feed Your Ends. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but Yarok. I think that's how you pronounce it. But basically what this is a leave-in conditioner, and it's a heat protectant. It is all natural, 100% vegan, free of gluten, alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and cruelty-free. So it's basically in the tag it says food for your hair, good for the earth. So it pretty much moisturizes your hair and it protects it from heat and it adds shines. So, and it also smells really good. It actually smells, let me see if I can think of a smell, like ginger. Like lemon ginger. So it smells really good and it feels really good on my hair, and I like this because I don't have to use cream conditioners. Before I would wash my hair and I would just put oil in it, which I still do. I put coconut oil in there, sometimes olive oil. I switch it up from time to time, but I put this on top of everything. I sprayed in my hair, I sprayed in the front, the back, and my hair, it smells good, and it also is softer. So I really do like this. I'm about halfway through this bottle, but I do plan on purchasing the full size one, because this is 2 ounces. So I will purchase the full size one of this, because I do see a noticeable difference in my locks after I wash my hair. And I also spray this during the week. I spray it in my hair whenever it feels a little dry or whatever, I'm not ready to wash my hair. But yeah, I've been really liking this stuff. So if you haven't tried it already, if you haven't heard of it, give it a try. You probably can order a small size like this on petitvour.com. I'll leave the link down below, or I'll attach it somewhere. But this stuff works great for your locks, and I'm really happy with mine. So when I did my Pettivore little consultation survey, it asked me what kind of hair I had, and I told them I had kinky hair, so they had recommended this to me, and I couldn't be more than happy. I couldn't be happier. This is actually working out with my hair. It smells good, it feels soft, and you know, my hair is getting nothing but the best. There's nothing bad going in my hair. So, but pretty much I'm twisting my hair the same exact way. I'm not doing anything too crazy. So I'm still using this, water, oil, and then this stuff. So, when I recently washed my hair, excuse me, I don't know what's going on in my throat. I knew I should have made tea before making this video, but the last time I washed my hair, I noticed that my hair was compacting and it wasn't unraveling, and it was feeling like a nice solid lock now. I'm still battling with a little bit of loose hairs, like around here, around like the, you know, down in this area. I'm still like battling with loose hairs there, but retwisting is definitely easier. Most of the hair is in its section, and day to day I'm always separating my hair. I'm always wrapping loose hairs around the actual lock, so I'm doing a little bit of maintenance almost every day, every other day. I like to crochet my hair. I pull in like little hairs, but yeah, I mean, I'm completely just overjoyed and happy with how my hair is. My hair just looks good, feels good, it's at a good length. I'm really excited about this length, and now I'm able to do styles, and it just feels good. And you know, it takes the products really well, and right now it feels like I have a really good solid lock, and I still have some frizziness going on. Like right there, you can probably see the loose hairs. So what I would do with that one, I would take that and I would wrap the loose hairs just around the lock. Now I figured that out because my loctician that I went to on my birthday for, I think, my 5-month update, she had retwisted my hair, and she had to do this a whole lot. And when I get done that, I kind of just like twist it around so it kind of like stays. And I just do that whenever I feel loose hairs. I wrap it around the lock, I palm roll it, I twist it around so it kind of just starts to you know, compact. And I did notice that a lot of my loose hairs, they're like kind of like locking like on the side, kind of like a weird little lump on the side of the lock, because they're kind of like balling up, and you know, they're not going inside of the lock, so they're kind of like matting on the outside, and it's kind of weird. So, but I try and maintain it as best as possible. I pretty much know what areas my hair is doing that, but overall I'm happy with my hair. I love it. It is a wonderful experience. I'm going to be 1 year on August 2nd, and I'm overjoyed. I'm so happy. I couldn't be more happier with how my hair is turning out. It's just looking amazing. It feels amazing, and I'm just really happy. So I'm gonna give you one more look at my hair, and then I'm gonna let you go. I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, so this is my hair for my 8-month lock update. I'm in love with my hair still. I'm trying new things. Hopefully you go out and try them as well. And I'm keeping things very, very basic. And that's pretty much it. I do want to vlog some of my wedding planning experiences, and I still want to do that thrift store haul. So I have some more videos coming up soon. I just moved, so it's just a lot going on, busy life. So you all understand, we're all human, and just please subscribe to this video. Please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Something About Alicia. Take care.